Hi, today I'll show you Rattlesnake Canyon Trail, one of the most popular hiking destinations in Santa Barbara, located on California's Central Coast in Santa Barbara County. The trail begins just minutes from downtown Santa Barbara. I visited Rattlesnake Canyon Trail with my mom and dad on a perfect sunny weekend. The weather was ideal for hiking and the trail felt lively with fellow hikers. There is no designated parking lot for this trail, so visitors need to park along the roadside. Usually, there is plenty of space available, especially if you arrive early. However, it's very important to park carefully and respect the pathway. Make sure your vehicle does not block oncoming traffic or restrict access for other hikers and emergency vehicles. Responsible parking helps keep the trail safe and enjoyable for everyone. Along the trail, you'll see a signboard marking the pathway for Rattlesnake Canyon Trail. There are also other signs reminding visitors not to fish in the area. These signs encourage everyone to pack it in, pack it out, meaning take your trash with you. They also ask hikers to pick up any litter they see. The goal is to keep the trail and surrounding nature clean and enjoyable for everyone. Following these simple rules helps preserve the beauty of the canyon and protects the environment. You'll also notice a signboard listing rules for the trail. It clearly states that firearms, open fires, overnight camping, bicycles and other vehicles are prohibited. These rules help keep the trail safe and enjoyable for all visitors. Following them ensures the natural beauty of Rattlesnake Canyon is preserved and everyone can have a peaceful hiking experience. As you can see, the first part of the trail crosses a small river that flows down from the mountains. This marks the starting point of the hike, and from here, the trail winds through the canyon, offering beautiful views of the surrounding nature. The sound of the running river and the beautiful weather make the start of the hike feel amazing. It's a peaceful and refreshing way to begin exploring Rattlesnake Canyon Trail. Crossing the river wasn't very easy, as it was filled with stones and rocks that made balancing a bit challenging. I wasn't dressed properly for the hike, so I struggled a little while crossing the river. It's a good reminder to wear appropriate clothes and shoes for a safe and comfortable hike. I even tripped once while stepping on the higher rocks. That's when I realised my outfit wasn't suitable for hiking. I immediately decided to change into proper attire to continue safely. Continuing the hike, I noticed that Rattlesnake Canyon Trail is much easier compared to some of our previous hikes, like the one at Gaviota Wind Cave. The trail is gentle with no steep climbs, making it suitable for hikers of all ages. The path is clear and well marked, so you don't need to worry about getting lost. Because of its accessibility, families and beginners can enjoy the scenic views without too much effort. The combination of easy terrain and beautiful surroundings makes this trail perfect for a relaxing day outdoors, whether you're hiking solo or with loved ones. The beautiful weather makes this trail perfect for many visitors. And even though it's called Rattlesnake Canyon Trail, hikers don't need to worry. There aren't any rattlesnakes here. The canyon may have been named Rattlesnake Canyon because rattlesnakes were spotted in the area long ago, or early settlers and explorers gave it that name. Today, the trail is safe for hikers, and sightings of rattlesnakes are extremely rare, especially on the well-used parts of the trail. The name mostly preserves local history, rather than indicating current danger. So far, we haven't encountered any tough sections along the trail. The path is super easy and relaxing, with the gentle sound of running water on the sides adding to the peaceful atmosphere. It's the kind of trail that's perfect for families or anyone looking for a calm, scenic hike without steep climbs or obstacles. We've really enjoyed walking through the canyon, taking in the greenery, the creek, and the views of the surrounding mountains. However, I wasn't as enthusiastic about continuing. I told my dad that I really didn't feel like hiking anymore and wanted to head back. My dad was not happy initially, but later he understood me. Hiking isn't everyone's favourite activity, and it's important to listen to your body and feelings. Since I wanted to return, I started looking for a nice spot along the river where we could take a short break before heading back. The creek has some flat shaded areas between rocks and boulders that are perfect for sitting down, resting, and enjoying the natural beauty around us. The sound of the water and the sunlight filtering through the trees made it an ideal spot to pause for a few minutes, relax, and even take a few photos. Taking a short break also gives us time to hydrate and prepare for the walk back. Even though we're not going further along the trail, we can still enjoy the peaceful surroundings and make the most of our time here. Rattlesnake Canyon Trail is truly a relaxing and scenic hike, and even a short visit like this is a wonderful experience for anyone, whether you're a serious hiker or just out to enjoy nature with your family. At last, we reached a part of the trail where the river runs alongside the path. It was a perfect spot for us to pause and take a break. The flowing water looked inviting, so we decided to spend some time here before continuing our hike. We took a 30-minute break, walking across the shallow parts of the river and playing in the water. It was really fun, and Dad especially enjoyed splashing around and feeling the cool water on his hands and feet. While taking our break, we also enjoyed the chance to just sit by the water, watch it flow over rocks and boulders, and take in the surroundings. It's a great reminder that hiking isn't just about reaching the end of a trail. It's also about enjoying the little moments along the way. Small rivers, shaded spots, and scenic views like this make Rattlesnake Canyon Trail such a pleasant and family-friendly hike. While we were taking our short break by the river, my father decided to fly drone and capture some aerial views of Rattlesnake Canyon and the surrounding mountains. Since we couldn't continue further along the trail, this was a perfect way to see more of the area from above. The aerial view was absolutely amazing. From high up, we could see the vast expanse of the canyon and the mountains stretching across the horizon. The landscape is covered with lush green trees, with the sunlight creating beautiful patterns on the slopes and highlighting the ridges and valleys. The trail we had just walked along is tiny from this height, winding through the canyon like a ribbon through the forest. It really gives you a sense of how big and scenic this area is, much more than what you can see from the ground. Flying the drone also gave us a new perspective on the mountains, showing the steep slopes, the rocky outcrops, and the small streams feeding into the canyon. The combination of the flowing river, dense greenery, and rolling hills makes Rattlesnake Canyon a picturesque spot and a nature lover's paradise. Even though we were only able to hike part of the trail, seeing it from above made it feel like we experienced the whole canyon. It's a reminder that there are many ways to enjoy nature, whether hiking, resting by the river, or capturing aerial views with a drone. This perspective added a whole new dimension to our visit, making the hike even more memorable and giving us stunning footage to look back on and share with others. At last, we finally headed back along the trail. On our way, we saw many people still arriving, eager to enjoy a weekend hike at Rattlesnake Canyon. It's clear why this trail is so popular. Its gentle path and scenic surroundings make it perfect for hikers of all ages. This has become one of my favourite hikes because the river adds a relaxing, refreshing touch, giving the trail a peaceful and chilling vibe. Even a short visit here feels rejuvenating, and it's a wonderful way to connect with nature and enjoy a calm day outdoors. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot and motivates me to make more vlogs.